right, so I've got this bookmark that I want to cut out, and I want to cut it out on some very specific material that I need this to line up correctly with, and I don't have a camera. So this is really going to be our no camera, no problem part 2. So the first thing I'm going to do is set my laser up where it is on the line of the material that I want to run. So I'm going to make these bookmarks, but what I'm looking to cut out really is just like this part here, right? I just want this area here. I don't want any of this or any of this because this is the one I'm looking for. So in order to do this, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and line my laser head up so that hopefully you guys can see this. I'm going to have a line back. All right, that's good. So I've got it lined up, got my beam lined up to my material. I do not have a camera, so this is how I'm going to cut it so that it fits where I want it to fit. All right, now that I've got that set up, I can go into LightBurn. I'm going to select this shape, right? Actually, I'm going to select both of these and go ahead and group them because I'm going to need both of them to move in the same way. And I'm going to scroll out just a hair here so you guys can see my whole workspace. And I'm going to go up to my Arrange. I'm going to go to Move Select Objects, and I'm going to move my object to my laser position. Sorry, let me say that again. I'm going to move my object to my laser position. So now my laser is set right here where I want to cut this bookmark out. I've now told LightBurn to start cutting this bookmark on this line. So let's see how it does. All right, so like I said, you know, not the best, but that's human error right there, having the extra line at the bottom because I did not level it out. My bed is very off level right now due to all the holiday stuff. So I do have a little bit of an edge there, but really if I look at the top where it started to cut, it cut right where I asked it to. And this is how we are going to bypass having to have a camera. It is going to come in really handy for you if you are trying to pull stuff out of different flex or different printed or painted materials. So just keep in mind that that tool is there for you to use so that you can actually move your object to where you want the laser to start, or you can do it vice versa. You can go in and move your laser to where your object is laying on your bed. So a little bit of a workaround for those of us who don't have a camera in our laser. Hope this helps you guys.